I'm going to try and incorporate some of these darker orangey shades. Or not. I don't know. Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you want to see what kind of an eye look I come up with on my collab with Crazybeautifulmua and the Ace Beaute Falling for You palette, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. All right, so for everyone who currently follows me, you may be going, wait, that name sounds familiar. Didn't Wago Warrior do a collab with Crazybeautifulmua not too long ago? Well, yes, in fact, I did. And if you missed that, you can check it out in the eye above. We did the Madison Beer Morphe palette. Today, she is challenging me. This palette here is, from my standards, quite adventurous. There are some very neon orange shades, some hot pink purple tones, and yes, but it's lovely, and I am going to challenge myself to pull off a good eye look. In case you aren't aware, Crazybeautifulmua is a lovely, beautiful YouTuber, and she is from Florida. She really is, in real life, a makeup artist. So it is always an honor when she reaches out to me and asks if I want to do a collab. I'm like, heck yeah, but wait, what? Your eye looks gonna look spectacular, and I'm gonna be like, eh. But it's all good. It's small YouTube channels supporting other YouTube channels, and she is super nice, super friendly, and I'm excited. I'm gonna link her YouTube channel up above. She also does blogs, Twitter, Instagram. She's full on out in the sphere of social influencing, if you want to call it that, whereas I have a YouTube channel. That's it. All right, enough rambling. Let me do some swatches because I need to decide if I'm going to lean more towards pink or more towards orange, or what would happen if I combine the two. All right, so here we have the top row in the palette, the middle row, and the bottom row. There are 8 matte shades and 4 shimmers. These look very pigmented, with the exception, well, they're all pigmented. This shade here is a little patchier, but that's just a swatch. Now, what colors am I going to use? I have a feeling, I know Heather. She loves a pink look. I have a feeling she may be leaning towards these colors here. I'm kind of, if I was just me down here, I'm going to try and incorporate some of these darker orangey shades. Or not. I don't know. All right. Fingers crossed. Here I go. All right, let me throw some eyeliner on and touch up my mascara, and let's see what that does. All right, so here is the final look. Not my best. It would mean the world to me if you would go check out the look that Crazy Beautiful MUA created. I will link it in the eye above. Doing these collabs is super fun, but super stressful just because I'm the worst at putting on eyeshadow. But it's fun to try. Yeah, this is what you get when you aren't an MUA. If you want to look at a good look, go check out my gal. All right, I want to give a shout out to Heather. Heather, thank you so much for reaching out and wanting to do a collab with me. This, as you know, was quite the adventurous palette, but what are your thoughts? I'm not gonna lie, not my best work, but thank you for challenging me by selecting for me a very colorful and bold palette. Now, what are my thoughts about this palette? They're very pigmented. Some of the darker shades, they blend-ish. Maybe go with a lighter hand than I did. I wish there was a better transition shade. Maybe like in a white or off-white. I don't know. I took that Dusty Rose, the softest matte in this palette, up to my brow bone, which normally I wouldn't do. I don't know. I just felt it was very stark, where the dark kind of reddish, dark pink purples ended and my pasty paleness started, even though I blend, I don't know. So that would be nice. But other than that, these shimmers, OMG, those are the rock stars in this palette, in my opinion. These shimmers, they shine. Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. What do you think of my final look? Don't judge the application method because it was bad. If you want to go see this palette used to its full potential, go check out my girl Heather. Yeah, I'm a novice, but this was outside my comfort zone. For those who follow me, you must be proud of me. Yeah, this shade, not my favorite, but it is makeup and I can just wipe it off. Let me know what you thought. Okay, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by, particularly if anyone is here from Heather's channel, welcome. And for all of my subscribers, thank you so much for being subscribed. For those who aren't, what's stopping you? It's a little button, you just click it. It would mean the world to me if you did. For those who are subscribed, don't forget to click that bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. The thumbs up, just clicking that really helps my channel out. Thank you all for stopping by watching. And thank you, Heather.